You don't have to go back.
Don't stop it, don't stop it.
Hey, support him. Hey, what's your...
Away.
That's your kid. Send him line. Nice, nice.
That was Christmas gift.
Nice.
One step, you have to go. Come on, give him the call.
Nice.
Tuck in, this side. Tuck in. Hey, bring up the back four.
Get ready to go to your side. Get ready to.
Patrick, our block is too high on defense. We're way too high. Supposed to be mid block.
Discipline, discipline.
Just side.
Yeah.
Side, the pass is dangerous, man.
Relax.
Talk to him, Capri.
Good pressure, Tyree. Good pressure. You're too high, Brown. You're too high, Brown. The block, Patrick. That's it. Yes, that's it.
Alan. Going too low.
Yes, Patrick. Good choice.
Fun, set up.
Let's promote Edwards. Let's promote. Talk to him early. Make him know what going on him.
Yeah. Hey, bring it up. Hey!
Come in.
Let's slide across. Come on.
Yes.
Closer.
You try. Keep trying. Walters, it's good. Keep trying. If this doesn't work, try something else.
Look around. Be patient.
The side.
Be patient.
Let Capri mark it better. Capri.
Purser, let's see if they do it or not.
That's free. You on your side. You on your side. That's free.
Who's talking? If you,
Early.
you're on your own, bro. You're on your own. Stay with the group. That's good defense.
Yes. Arnold, you don't know where he is, right?
Russian. Russian. So what foot you use? Your inside foot. What should you do next time? Yeah, but how? What part of your foot you should use? Yes, but if you use the right foot, what part of your foot if you want to turn? You use the inside, but you went back. So to turn, which part of your foot you should use? The outside. Now you would turn. So what you did was good. Your movement was good. It's just you took the wrong touch. Next time, try the outside to get around him. If it doesn't work, try the left foot.
Adam.
Small, you're too far. Ball is on the left.
Antonio. Movement. Antonio, keep it away, Antonio. Get some ball sometimes. Bring it back again. Antonio, why you want to get there? Come on. You have to play faster.
Why you right there for 1 second? Why you not foot out? Push up. Yeah, right.
Movement, sir. Louis, our movements.
Walters, you know what I'm going to say?
10 minutes. What? What more you want?
Coach, you want a little 5 minutes? Okay.
5 minutes.
Louis, you gotta move. You gotta try and get the ball. Closer. Well done.
Break this out of him.
Let's put your side.
You alone up top in there, hey. Hey, we can do it to the group. We can do it to the group.
Good, Sims.
Pull him in, pull him in.
Keeper.
Yeah.
Chocolate, you see what?
Yeah, no voice. Was too late. Good try, Patrick. Good try. That's a good pass. That's a good pass, man. Eh. See, man. Yes, Walters. Yes. Keep trying, man. Good.
Come on, we can keep it. Come on. Don't give it away. Come on.
You're in the same channel, Russian. Russian, you understand what I mean? Yes. Ah, you killed it right here. Very good.
Relax. Honest, hey.
Jerry, you keep rushing in. Next side.
Yes. Good communication.
Wait. Look, scan first. Hey.
Vestry.
Yes. Ah, good try. Handball. You know you're right. That's a handball. Yes, Mal. Yes. Sims, you're too far. Yes, Tyrick. Better pass. Don't hire Russian. Keep trying. Keep trying.
Use the line, use the line.
Up. Malik, come on.
Yes. Malik, listen.
Ball.
Gino,
Hey,
jump.
hey, Josiah, watch what he has. Josiah, watch what.
Take a shot. Hey! Yes, Roshan. Nice.